Grab some kitchen towels or tea towels the next time you are at Walmart or your favorite big box store. Take 4 kitchen towels and iron out all the wrinkles. The towels can be the same pattern, or you can mix things up with coordinating patterns. Clip 3 to 4 round curtain rings to the short end of each towel. If you want to adjust the length of your towels, simply fold over the top and clip the rings along the fold. Then, slip the curtain rings onto simple tension rods and hang the rods in a window. Adjust the towel so the curve of the towels all face the same direction. Easy and instant window curtains. Find a fun tea towel with an interesting graphic image and turn it into home decor. First, iron out any wrinkles from the tea towel. Take any old or thrifted art frame and remove the previous art or any cardboard pieces. Apply painter's tape to the edge of the towel, securing it to the cardboard. Place the mat over the taped tea towel and slide it into the frame. You now have new, beautiful, and unique wall art. Find 3 or 4 tea towels or kitchen towels in a fun pattern. Flip 2 towels over and align the short ends up against each other. Place a strip of simple duct tape over the aligned edges and press down firmly. Continue to line up the towels end to end and tape the short ends together using duct tape. Have fun styling it on a table or kitchen island.
Begin by taking a standard size bathroom towel, fold it in half. Next, grab the top left corner and fold it in towards the center. Do the same with the bottom right corner so they overlap slightly. Fold this in half. At the bottom, begin rolling up the towel towards you and tuck the last corner of both towels into the center. Voila! A neatly tucked towel ready to be put away. If you're looking for a fun way to display your tea towels, with the towel face down, grab either side and fold it into thirds. Take both sides and fold them in the center so that one end is slightly over top of the other. Place your first tea towel into the center of your second and scrunch the first one. Fold the second tea towel around the first to keep it secure and slide it into a drawer handle or an oven handle like mine to display a pretty bow for your guests to admire in your kitchen.
Let's start with that mess of plastic bags that we want to save. Lay it out flat, fold it in half, then in half again. Now we're just going to fold it up into triangles. When I get to the very end, I'm going to take the handles and tuck them into the little pocket of the triangle. Now that same amount of bags fits in that container so nicely. To fold a larger reusable bag, lay it out flat and fold it into thirds. Fold the bottom up about halfway. From the top, tuck the handles in and tuck that piece into the bottom. Now you're able to store these bags vertically. They're not going to come apart and they're easy to access when you need one. Lay out your kitchen towel, fold it in half, and then in half again. Now going the other way, we're going to fold it into thirds and tuck that final piece right into the pocket you created. This keeps your towel together, so if it moves around in your drawer or your basket, it's not going to become unfolded. This is how to easily and securely fold a bag of chips. Start by bringing each corner together on a diagonal. Flip the bag around and fold it down 3 or 4 times. Then fold over the corners. This is going to secure your bag in place. It's not going to leak. It's not going to open up. Your chips are going to stay fresh. Do you have a cereal box that doesn't stay closed? Start by tucking in the 2 side pieces. Now squeeze the sides together and tuck that final piece right into the slot you've created. This is going to hold your box together, making it line up really nicely in your pantry. Here are 3 pot holder hacks you can use. This project was inspired by Mom Home Guide on Hometalk. Grab a coordinating kitchen towel and pot holder. Fold the towel and lay it out flat and place the pot holder right in the center. Pin or clip it in place. Then head over to the sewing machine and sew it straight down the middle. Now grab a button and sew that onto the pot holder. This cute towel will now hook onto the handle of your stove or your dishwasher. It looks great and it's functional. Sew on a piece of elastic, creating 2 loops. Flip the pot holder over and use some fabric glue to attach a long piece of ribbon. Slide your toothbrush and toothpaste into the elastic, fold it in half, and tie the pouch together with a ribbon. Toss this in your bag and you're ready to go. Grab a pot holder and some quick dry fabric glue. Fold it in half and glue it on just 2 of the sides. Hold it in place until the glue is completely dry. This will slip right over the handle of the pan and you can pick it up and protect your hands. Clean up a messy drawer with these folding hacks. To fold a t-shirt, start by laying it on a flat surface with the front side facing down. Fold in each side of the shirt and then fold the arms back. Once you have a rectangle created, you are going to fold this shirt in half, leaving a couple inches on the bottom. Then you're going to fold it in half again. And now you have a nice file here that's going to stand up in your drawer. This is called a pouch fold. Fold up the bottom of a shirt about a third of the way. Then turn the whole thing over. Fold each side of the shirt in. Then fold the top down and fold the whole thing in half. Now you're able to turn this little pouch all the way around and tuck the shirt inside of it. The benefits of this fold is that it stays intact. So if you're rummaging around in your drawer, it's not gonna come unfolded. This is also a great fold for packing. Lining your shirts up like this allows you to see everything that you have. It's nice and neat and it's easy to pull out what you need. Let's fold a hoodie. Fold the bottom up about a third of the way and then fold it up again. Take the two sleeves and fold them in, and then fold in the sides. Take this whole piece and tuck it into the hood, leaving the strings out. Pull those strings tight and everything stays contained. This is a nice way to fold a bulky item. It's gonna stay nice and secure in your drawer. This is also great for packing. Let's fold a collared shirt. Make sure all the buttons are fully buttoned. Then flip the shirt over. Fold in the sides and fold the arms back. You want to create a long rectangle. Now fold up the bottom about a third of the way and fold the top down about a third of the way. This allows you to see your shirt. It doesn't compromise the collar. It's a great option for storing shirts if you do not have a hanging space. To fold a pair of pants, lay them face up and fold one leg on top of the other, creating one long rectangle. Fold the whole thing in half and then fold it in thirds. Using this method is going to allow your pants to stand up on their own. Then you can take this file folded pair of jeans and tuck them in your drawer, being able to see each one. Folding a pair of socks is pretty straightforward. Lay one on top of the other and fold them in thirds. This way you're not stretching out the elastic at the top and you can see the pattern of the socks very easily. You can fold this in a file form in a drawer.